So I wanted to show you our idea about power to water batteries on behalf of me and my colleague Hao Xinya. And as we all know, um, we have now have some renewable energy such as solar energy or the wind energy, but both of them are facing a very serious problem. That is the mismatch between the supplier and the end use demand, which is the main concerns preventing deeper penetration of renewable energy in the future. Of course, we have some solutions such as use some energy storage technology such as the lithium-ion batteries or the pump hydro storage, but some of them face a problem of high costs, and some of them need specific terrain, such as the high mountains or the caves and so forth. At the same time, we are facing another problem, such as two-thirds of the global population is suffering from the water scarcity, and most of us knows that the air conditioning system consumes a lot of energy, but not everyone knows that the large part of energy is consuming in the dehumidifications. So to sum up, we are facing a problem that we are losing a great amount of renewable energies, and meanwhile we are facing the water scarcity problems and the humidity related energy consumption. So we have an idea that if we can store the surplus renewable energy and use the stored energy to harvesting the water in the air or for the dehumidification process, so that we can address the two issues simultaneously. So we put forth an idea that power to water batteries, which use a very inexpensive material to store the surplus renewable energy as the thermal energy, and use this to harvesting the atmosphere moisture to produce fresh water. Based on these concepts, we built up a prototype about power to water batteries. Now we developed it to the second generations, which have a very high productions. It can produce 2.6 kilowatt of water in a day, and its efficiency is that can when it produces a kilo of water, it only consumes 1.3 kilowatts hour of electricity. Compared with the other existing energy storage technology, the most advantage is the cost. Our storage cost is only 10% of the traditional iron batteries. And of course, it doesn't need any specific terrain such as the mountains or the caves and so forth. So it's very convenient to scale it, very scalable. And based on this calculation, if we use the power to water battery in the dehumidification process in the Hong Kong, it can save 40% of the energy because it can enhance the HVAC system efficiencies and greatly decrease the consumptions of the dehumidifications. And we also calculated the market size, and the market size can be 39 billion Hong Kong dollars, and it is a very great market. We also have some traction. We have the patents, and we have some papers in the top journals. Some of them is the cover papers, and we also won the gold medals of 2 international exhibitions, including the Geneva International Exhibitions and the Asia International Advantage Image Awards. In the last years, we want to have some pilot project in the small house and seeking for interest companies to cooperate with. And lastly, I wanted to introduce my teammates. I have 2 outstanding teammates. The first one is the Dr. Hao Xinya, who is the energy and economic PhD in the CTU. And the last one is the Dr. Fang Lei, who is the senior engineer in the Broad Group in the mainland China. She is the expert in the distributed energy system. So he can provide many useful advice based on his very abundant experience. Thank you.